my name is Jazz and welcome to my channel. So for today's video, I'm really excited because I'm going to be sharing with you 6 new DIYs that I made. They're perfect for your kitchen and they're perfect for fall. So I really hope that you like and enjoy and have fun in today's video. And if you do, please give me a big thumbs up. That really helps to support my channel. And make sure that you are subscribed and that you hit the bell to get notified every single time that I upload a new video. Guys, remember to follow me on all my social medias. I have Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, and I have my new webpage. It calls Jazomy.com. You can follow me there because me and my husband are making so many projects that are coming soon, and we have our new page and you can go there. It calls Jazomy.com, and you're going to find so many decor inspirations and DIY projects for your home that you can make on a budget, and really good ideas and tips for your home decor. So I really hope that you support us, and all the links are going to be in the description box of this video, so you can go click there and follow us on this journey. So yeah, I hope that you like and enjoy, have fun in today's video, and let's get started.
Okay guys, so for the first project, I will be using this Dollar Tree photo frame. This one is 8 by 10 inches, but you can make this same DIY using any size that you want. And the first thing I did was to separate the piece of cardboard and the paper and the glass because I'm going to be working with the frame. I really like the black color, but I don't like that metallic silver details that has on the edges. So what I'm going to be doing is to use my Waverly chalk paint in black color, and I'm going to paint the entire frame with one coat of paint. To dry it, I'm going to be using my heat tool like I always do to dry everything because it makes the whole process much faster and easier. From there, I will work with my sign, and I'm going to be using this hard like cardboard piece from a book that I just have for years and it's not working and it's broken. I'm going to be using this because it is the perfect size for my frame. So the first thing I did was to give it 2 coats of white paint, 2 really good coats to make sure that I'm going to be covering all the designs that it had. Once everything is dry, I'm going to be using this black super thin tape that I bought from Amazon, and I'm going to stick it on my white sign, creating a subway backsplash tile. You should measure and mark with a ruler just to make sure that all the lines are straight as possible. Guys, I know that Dollar Tree sells these like subway backsplash tile that will work perfect for this project, but I can't find it, so I decided to use this tape. I made a shiplap wall with this tape for my living room, and it works amazing. So you can do so many things, and in the description box you can find the link of this tape of where you can get it. Once you finish, you can use this set of these Dollar Tree stickers if you want. I really want the word gather, and this set doesn't have that word, so I decided to use my CRICUT and I just stick it in the center of my sign. And from there, I decide to place these stickers. They are like leaves, and I put one on each side of the sign. Finally, you just have to place this sign with the frame. You can add hot glue, and that will be it. Guys, this will be the result for the first project, and I really love it. It is perfect to place in the kitchen. It looks delicate and modern with a high-end looking. For the second project, I'm going to be using 2 of these Dollar Tree mason jars, salt and pepper shakers, and I'm going to be doing something easy, but it will look amazing. So the first thing I did was to remove the caps from the jars, and I'm going to paint each of the mason jars with my spray paint in metallic copper color. You can find the link of this spray paint in the description box, and once you paint everything very nice and the paint is dry, you can put the lids back on the mason jars. And I really love the contrast between the metallic silver and the metallic copper. From there, I decide to use my CRICUT and create 2 decals. One of them says pepper and the other one salt. And I use some black vinyl and I stick them on each of the mason jars. And the font that I use is called Vanilla. Guys, once you're finished, this will be the result of this project, and as I told you, it is super easy to do, but they look much better, and I really love the colors. They are perfect for that fall vibe in your kitchen. For the third project, I'm going to be using these Dollar Tree foam pumpkin, and the first thing I did was to make a hole in the center, in the top of the pumpkin with my knife. I want that my pumpkin look super modern, so I decide to use my black chalk paint, and I paint the whole pumpkin and then let it dry very well. From there, I decide to add some texture by gluing a piece of U-twine around the pumpkin and then stick a small bow with hot glue. Finally, guys, you can place flowers or greenery as I did, and this will be the result. Guys, Dollar Tree also sells similar pumpkins already with flowers or like fall leaves, and you can use that and paint them just to give it that more neutral and modern look. It will look so good, and it is super easy to make and budget friendly. For the next project, I'm going to be using 4 of these Dollar Tree small round ceramic plates in white color, and I want to recreate a set of dishes that Kirkland's have. It is this set and I love them, so with my CRICUT I decide to make 4 decals with the words gather, enjoy, eat, and laugh. So I cut each word apart and then I put a transfer tape on it, and then I just stick those words in the center of each plate. And guys, again, I use the font called Vanilla for the words. And guys, I decide to leave you the link in this video of the SGB file so that you can use it if you have a CRICUT and you can recreate this same project. I highly recommend using a permanent vinyl so you can use and wash these dishes and your vinyl is not going to get damaged. Just don't put them in the dishwasher and you're gonna be fine. Once you put the vinyl on each plate, you can decorate your dining table, and the charger and the other white plates are from Dollar Tree too. And the burlap napkin, the striped runner, and these eucalyptus garland are from Amazon, and I'll leave you the link of each product in the description box of the video. Guys, this will be the result of this DIY, and I love it because it looks amazing, and I did it for a fraction of the price, so I'm really happy for that. For the next project, I will be using these Dollar Tree glass bowls. The set brings 4, but I will only going to be using 2 for this project. And the first thing I did was to give it 1 coat of paint, of spray paint in metallic copper color. And as I told you, I'll leave you the link in the description box of this spray paint. Once the paint is dry, you can personalize them using a sticker or maybe a marker. Dollar Tree has a very good options right now for stickers. I decided to use my CRICUT. I made a decal and I stick them on each of the bowls in black vinyl. One says dash and the other one says pinch. I want to place one bowl on the top of each other, so what I did was to place this foam like stone between each of the bowls, and then I fill and decorate everything with foxtail and leaves. Once you're finished, this will be the result of the project, and I love how it looks. It is very easy to do, and I spent only like $1 on the glass bowls, and you can use any paint that you like and that maybe you have at home to give it that autumn touch. For the last project, I will be using this wooden pumpkin sign from Dollar Tree, and the first thing I did was to remove the raffia bow and the tag. I'm going to be using the back of this project, the back part of this sign. So the first thing I did was to fill in that small hole that has the sign with a little bit of sparkling from Dollar Tree. From there, I will be painting my pumpkin, and for that I'm going to be using my Revoli chalk paint in plaster color. While the plaster paint is still wet, you can use a bit of wax just to highlight the edges, the stem, and all the details that a pumpkin has, just to give it more dimension, and it will look much better. Once the paint was dry, I really want to recreate this amazing pumpkin pie recipe. I don't know, it is super expensive, and they sell these in Hobby Lobby, Michael's, Kirkland's. So I decided to recreate these, and I made a decal as similar as possible with my CRICUT, and I stick it very carefully on my sign. Guys, I know that these decal can be a little bit challenging to make, so I decided to leave you the link of the SGB file of these pumpkin pie recipe, and it's going to be so much easier for you to recreate this DIY, so you can find the link, as I said, in the description box of this video. The last step would be to place a small bow that I made just to add a nice detail, and this will be the result, guys. I really love how this pumpkin look, and I love the colors and all the details that this decal has. It was a little bit challenging to do, but I love how it turned out. And just one thing, this is not my original recipe. So if you decide to follow this recipe and make this pumpkin pie, if it's bad, it's not gonna be my fault, okay? So guys, I really hope that you like and enjoy, have fun in today's video, and that this video and this idea helps you to be creative. If you like it, please give me a big thumbs up. That really helps to support my channel, and make sure that you comment comment down below which of these projects was your favorite, and make sure that you are subscribed, that you hit the bell, and that you share this video with friends and family. And remember to follow me on all my social media pages. The links are going to be in the description box, and see you on my next video. Mwah. Bye guys.